So, let the adventure begin.
Let it begin. What?
Creations. A lot of crazy people, yeah.
Yeah, strange people.
So we will just go. There's a, I can see a path, so we will go there. Just random. Oh, sorry, Mr. Spider. Closest I can get in focus. I'm so sorry for messing up your web, Mr. Spider. And he got the prey in his mouth.
Oh, he's eating as well.
Can you see it? Yeah. Oh yeah. There we go. You think that you can... Oh, you are so strong. But it is... Let's find a proper... Eventually we will find it. No worry. I have a good feeling if we go that way. Yeah. Oh, we are at the... Damn!
So if anything, we need to head probably more over that way.
Or just let's go straight down. Let's just go. You know, we have bears here.
Oh, that's fine. I don't have to get off of there.
Careful, don't fall. I mean fall, I have it on, I will have it on the... Whoa! I almost slipped. Yeah, let's go just to the bottom of the trench. Ooh, let's move this. Do you think that we can move that?
Ready?
Oh. Okay.
There's a web here. Nothing inside it.
What is this? Oh, nice. Big pill bug.
Oh, yeah.
First find, first specimen. And look how it's just crawled up. But it's really big. I'm really surprised with the size. It leaked some sort of residue.
It pissed on you.
It pissed on me. I've been pissed by some sort of pill bug. Go away. And you know, whenever we do stuff like that, we need to put it back, yes, because of the animals that live down there.
Right.
It's not perfect, but it will work. The bugs will handle it. Oh, stop it, mosquitoes!
Go away.
Go away. We have a tough journey in front of us. One Mr. Spider is here. So this is their current size. In like a month or two, they will be much bigger. Oh, you broke the poor little spider guy. You broke his web. The adventure is increasingly starting to be harder and harder. Did you?
There's a hole there. You see how deep it is?
Oh,
Like,
don't break your leg. Suddenly the adventure got its dangerous turn. So now we are...
Pico would carry me back, wouldn't you? If I used my dog.
Definitely.
So which log are we going to move next?
I have no idea. You know what is this?
This is like a truck or something.
You know whose truck is this? No? Wild pigs.
Oh yeah, you can see where the trotter.
The church.
The
Yeah, that. This is probably their standard path where they go. But they are actually quite dangerous. You know that?
Oh yeah.
Because they will attack you if you get close to them, especially if they got the young ones.
Oh, of course.
But I think it's too early for them to have young ones. Now, if we go up this path, I will have no idea where we are. But that's more fun, right?
As long as you can find your way back to.
Yeah. I mean,
you know,
we have the GPS. It's not that bad.
Yeah.
But look at this one, this tree, how it has fallen. Oh.
Ooh, look at this.
A lot of ants.
There's ants. There's an earthworm over here.
What? Oh. This one actually looks really nice. Can the mosquitoes like stop?
It's gonna be like a flat millipede of some kind. It's not a centipede.
Yeah, I know. No
Otherwise,
worries.
I wouldn't be handling it because that would be silly.
But even the small centipedes, I don't think that they would really do something to you. How do you feel now?
I found something. So.
Yay! A lot of ants. Once again.
No, it's dead. So there's a millipede there.
Millipede? Yeah.
Yeah, see it, but this one is dead. A couple of woodlouse. You got it?
Oh. It's gone.
There's a snail.
A snail. Mr. Snail.
Not as cool as these snails that we saw yesterday at Terra Plaza.
But still.
It's still cool.
Still snail. Oh, he's coming out now. More. Look at him. go on its own.
Be a nice time lapse. There's only one problem now.
What?
When we turn that log over, is it getting crushed?
Oh.
It needs to sort of go like in here.
Look here.
Yep.
We don't want to crush you. We like animals. Trust me.
Yep.
Mushroom. Do you want to try them?
Go on then.
Something big went there. Probably a mouse, because these are mouse tunnels. Oh, I see a centipede. We can poke it out.
Oh yeah, I see it. Nope.
It got another hole, but it can go anywhere. Oh, here it is. Okay. Okay.
No!
You know, slowly. This will be our first tarantula handling video. Oh, not tarantula, centipede handling video on the Dark Den channel. Not done by me.
No, of course it will be done by
Pale British guy.
Should we put it back?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here we have a pale British guy in his natural environment.
Looking for bugs. And being very happy whilst doing so.
It was what?
It looked like a wasp.
Oh.
But it was like yellow and quite big. There's a massive slug in here.
Yeah. Really massive. It's like oh, look at this. Look at this. It's in the net.
That's a larva of some kind, isn't it? Because it's only got the legs, the 6 legs at the front.
Let's help it out.
Give it a second chance.
Yeah.
The spider's watching from a distance is probably sulking now. Oh, here's a spider.
Spider. That's the one I tried to breed. Got him.
Yeah, looking at these carrying the eggs.
Look. Let's continue our adventure. The Nature Adventure 3.
Yeah.
I guess. Do you need any leaf litter?
I'm good. I think.
You see that? A log.
Oh, that round one?
Yeah. Let's mess with that. I will take both cameras.
And I'll do the hard work, yeah?
And you do the hard work, yes. Maybe the other direction?
No, because there's a tree here. That's why I'm not doing it.
Yes.
I just was trying to pull it.
Ooh, things are running around.
Hang on. I'm slipping.
No!
Hang on.
No! Just let it go.
You sure?
Yes. Is that why you came to Croatia? To destroy our nature? Shame on you.
Shame. I have no shame. Okay, what have we got?
I saw things moving.
They will.
And that was...
They will run away.
Yeah.
Not worth the trouble.
The best part of it was the thing rolling down. You're getting close. No worries. How are you?
I'm good. Covered in leaves and web.
Ah, barely. Barely. Okay, we survived. And where are we?
In the forest.
In the forest. That's a good observation.
I'm really good at that. Like,
really?
Yeah.
Look. Cockroach. Have you seen it? Ah. Bet you if we just put the camera down and just search, we'll probably find something in this small area. Ooh. Oh, freshly... What are the odds? Freshly molted roach.
I can't see it because I'm so pale. It's blending in.
I'm very curious what the species is this. You see it?
Oh, scorpion.
It's not a scorpion, it's fake scorpion. It doesn't have the tail. I don't know what's the name, but I know that they are fake scorpions. You see that it doesn't have a tail.
Yeah, see.
Look how many.
Look.
Oh.
See them? If you stand up, just stand up like that and look.
Ooh,
You see them?
I don't know if the camera will pick it up or not, but yeah, there is like millions of them.
I'll have a look and
Oh yeah, I see the movement. So a lot of tiny frogs.
tadpoles. In English.
Tadpoles.
Yeah, we call them tadpoles.
Tadpole.
That's a decent one.
You just take that home and have millions of frogs because everything is look, everything is covered with them. But this is slowly reducing, and what will happen to them then? They will just die unless they will be fast enough to evolve. And what are they eating?
Like algae and things like that, I think. See? It's got
Oh, yeah, yeah.
little legs. It's very similar to a salamander.
They got only 2 legs, right?
No, it's got 4.
4. Oh, I see. Oh, sorry, little guy. Oh my God! Save it, Daniel. Save it. You sure that that's not just the next stage of a tadpole?
I mean, you're right. It could be. It
That's
could
fine.
be. It could be the next.
But
stage.
still, nice find. How do you feel?
Like a young David Attenborough. We're nowhere near as cool, of course.
It was definitely something that we didn't expect.